Guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. It's been quite the day. I haven't had the chance to vlog as much as I wanted to today, but it's okay. We still have the rest of the evening. So as you guys saw this morning, Eric surprised me with breakfast and flowers because today is actually our 3-year wedding anniversary. We're celebrating our wedding anniversary today. He surprised me with breakfast when I came back from the gym. And we had breakfast together, we chatted, reminisced a little bit, and then I worked for a few hours, and then I cleaned the office, and then I did my makeup. I filmed a TikTok on this makeup look, so if you want to check out the details. The sun's kind of down already. It's only 4 o'clock and the sun's already going down. But if you want to see the details, I did post a TikTok on this look. So I'm just about to head out to do some errands before we go to dinner because last minute queen over here. I have a lot of things that I need to buy. I need to get strappy heels for my outfit tonight because I don't have any that I think will go well. And if I have time, this might be pushing it, but if I have time, I want to go to Target. We need toothpaste, so I figured I'll just go to Target to get toothpaste, but I also want to see if they have anything cute for the guest room and a few Christmas items that I'm missing. So yeah, I'm so excited for dinner tonight and to celebrate with Eric. I think I advanced a lot by already doing my hair, my makeup, so all I have to do when I get home is change, basically. So I think we'll have enough time to do it all, but let's see. This is my outfit for errands tonight. I was gonna shoot this outfit outside, but I'll probably just end up shooting it tomorrow. So I'm just wearing this white sweatshirt from Walmart and then this blazer from H&M. I love how oversized it is. I think this is an XL. And then these leather pants from Zara and my Air Forces and this bag from H&M. So I'm really comfortable and cozy, and I don't think I have to put a coat on even though it's chilly outside. I'm pretty warm with these 2 layers, so I should be okay. Oh, before I was gonna go, I forgot the whole point of why I started vlogging now was because I wanted to give you guys a little mini tour of my office because I've never like officially done a tour of the office. So I'm going to share with you guys how it's looking now. It's still a work in progress because I still have to get a few pieces, but I'll share with you guys what I have for now. I've spent so much of my time here and I just realized I've never done an actual like walk-through tour of what the space looks like. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick before I leave. As soon as you open the door to the left, I have my clothing rack, and I like to keep this on the left just because this wall kind of feels really empty without anything there. So I just have my coats that are currently in rotation, and then right next to it I have this little nightstand where I have this cute little fur Christmas tree and this candle and some accent pieces. There is a closet in this room, but it's a disaster, so I'm not even gonna open it. And then on this wall I have this mirror that I got from At Home. I'm looking to replace this mirror for one that's a little bit more vintage looking, like, and gold, but I just haven't found a good one yet, so this one will eventually be replaced. And then right here I want to put like a Sherpa pull-out couch, but one that doesn't take up too much space because I feel like it would be convenient to have like an extra bed up here. We do have the guest room in our room, but it would be nice if this room could also be used for guests whenever guests come over. And then over here I have my little vanity area. This is from Home Goods, and I'm thinking about painting it white. And then this mirror is from At Home. And then I just have my jewelry stands. I have this card stuff here that just usually isn't here, but I have my jewelry stuff, and then this little vase with pampas. This usually isn't out either. I just did my makeup, so that's why it's there. But I usually pull this out in front of the window so I get a lot of natural light. And I usually just put this in the closet when I'm done, but I didn't have the chance to do that today. But over here I have my desk. So this desk is from World Market. This isn't supposed to be there either. I'm about to take that when I leave. This is my office chair that I got from, I can't remember where, but I'll link it down below. And then I have these prints from Desenio. I think that's how you say it. Just very neutral, abstract pieces. And then this is where I work from. So this is my work laptop, a monitor, and then I have this nice little cable box that's supposed to hide all the cables, but I've just been lazy, haven't redone it. And then I have over here this random pampas plant that I don't know what I want to do with. And then I have my bookshelves from IKEA. So this is bookshelves, but I don't have books in them. I just like it for just kind of like decor. So all these pieces I'll try to link down below, but I usually like to rotate this and kind of play around with it. But this is basically her. I still have a lot of work to do. I want to paint that white. I want to get something for these sides. I still don't know what. I want to get a new mirror, a pull-out couch type thing, and then I think I want to do a rug in the room because I'm kind of messing up the carpet with all of my makeup and stuff. But yeah, this is her. This is where I spend, I would say, about 70% of my time, especially during the week. So I just felt it was necessary to share with you guys the space. So okay, let's go run our errands before we run even more late. This is the style that I'm going for. Very strappy, high pointed heel, but I want a different color. Not like a dark color, I want like a nude color. No luck here. I'm gonna go to Macy's because maybe Macy's will have something or more variety. No luck at Macy's, so I'm on my way to Target because Target actually has really nice heels. Kind of just depends on the season. Usually they have nicer heels when it's like summer, springtime. So we'll see if I can find anything right now that it's winter, because all I saw in all these stores were booties. The top things on the list for Target are heels, toothpaste, and if they have a trench coat, a black trench coat, I'm gonna grab it because I need a jacket to wear to dinner tonight. I just realized I only have one jacket, but I want to get one that's black. So that's on the top list at Target. Hopefully we can stick to it and be strong. Probably not, but I'm gonna pick this one up because I think it'll look really cute in my office, and I could definitely use it next year too. I have a gift for you. I can't pick it up because I'm in my heels. A little.
Really? Is it the car? Is it another puppy?
No. Open it. Are you gonna sit on the floor?
No.
Okay.
Can I sit on the chair?
Yeah.
Because I need to go in the bed.
I love you a lot.
I love you. Do I read the card first or open the box?
You can read the card.
This is so nice.
That's our Christmas wrapping paper, but That's all I had. You don't have to read it out loud. Thank you. Here I am.
I love you.
I love you.
So sweet.
That's how I feel in my heart.
I feel the same way.
Me too, honey.
Feels like time has flown by.
I know. You can rip it, babe. It's fine. You don't gotta be nice with it.
Do I need a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I already know what it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, is that North Face?
Wow.
Oh, I got scared. I thought they got the wrong color. Wow, they packaged it really nice.
Wow.
I got you the medium.
Thank you, honey.
Medium duffel that you've been wanting.
So I'm look like a
Now we have to take more
trips.
yeah.
Long trips. Dang, this is nice.
It is really nice package.
This is like a bag in itself.
Wow, it's nice size.
It is a great size. I think this is like the same size as the
Dang,
one
this
I was
thing
using.
is huge. You can fit a lot in here, babe.
Definitely enough.
You think that's a carry-on?
Definitely enough for a weekend trip.
And it's a book bag. Did you know that?
It is?
Yeah. It clips here. Or you zip it and then the straps can be a book bag.
Oh yeah, right here.
We're going to Paris.
I wish.
Wow. Oh my god.
So there's like a whole design
Oh
process.
my gosh, babe. When is it gonna get here?
I don't know. I haven't gotten. Did you read it?
7 to 14 days.
I haven't even gotten that email yet. I just got the
When
confirmation
did you order it?
like 2 weeks ago. I love you.
I'm getting a new ring. So we just finished opening up our gifts. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I ended up wearing, I think it was Vlogmas day 6, where I went shopping at Zara. So I'm wearing the 2-piece set that I got at Zara. It's the 1-strap silk brown with the skirt. And I just ended up wearing these that I have from, I can't remember where these are from, but I just wore these because I didn't have anything else. But this is what I'm wearing, and we're off to dinner. So yummy. I'm stuffed. What would you rate that dinner, honey?
It was delicious. At least a 9 out of 10.
So I got the filet mignon. The 10-ounce filet mignon. It was so good. And Eric got, what was it? Your thing?
I got a rockfish.
Rockfish. And it was so good. Mine came with potato, like this, what was it, like a potato?
It's called like potato gratin, something like that.
It was just like a delicious,
Pardon my French.
It was just like a delicious potato concoction. And then we were like, okay, we won't get dessert here. We're gonna go to this shake place that's around here, and that's really good. We love their shakes. And Eric paid, and then the waiter comes with a little dessert. We thought it was on the house, but then she told us that the lady over in that table got it for us, and it was Eric's coworker.
The nicest person.
That was so sweet. She is so sweet. So we went over to say thank you, and she was just like really cool. That was awesome, honey. That was a cherry on top. So we're not gonna go get shakes because we already had dessert thanks to her. I'm stuffed, babe. Thank you so much for everything.
I'm ready to sleep.
You're amazing.
I love you.
I love you. Cheers, guys.